Looking to optimize your clash detection and modeling workflows? Selection resolution in Autodesk Navisworks Manage offers the solution you need. It's all about how Navisworks picks what you click on, from entire files to the tiniest detail. Mastering this saves time, reduces errors, and makes your reports flawless. To access selection resolution in Navisworks, head over to the Home tab, navigate to the Select and Search panel, and there it is. Selection resolution. First up, File. This selects the entire file. Say you've imported an architectural model. Selecting File grabs everything in that file at once. Perfect for broad actions. Next, we have Layer. If your model has doors organized into a Doors layer, selecting Layer grabs all the doors at once. Great for bulk editing or grouping. Now, First Object is where it gets interesting. This selects the topmost object in the hierarchy. Imagine clicking on a door in an assembly. First Object grabs the entire door instance along with its element ID. This one's a must for clash detection, as we'll see later. For nested groups, Last Unique selects the final unique parent before getting into raw geometry. Think of it as zooming in one step further than First Object. Then there's Last Object, which gets you the lowest level named element, like a single door or frame, but not its raw polygons. Finally, Geometry lets you go all in, selecting specific edges, faces, or vertices. It's the most detailed option, perfect for pinpointing details. So why does this matter for clash detection? Simple. The wrong selection resolution means incorrect IDs in your report. Avoid the hassle. Set it to First Object for clean, accurate results every time.